Just about to show you this awesome and epic beach camping place called Pebbly Beach, just south of Grafton. Here I am with Reuben and his kids from DMW. We are about to have the most awesome time.
Mate, while we wait for the tide to be at the right height, I reckon we park up somewhere. We have a nice little frosty just to celebrate we're on the beach.
Sounds awesome, mate.
Oh, here you go, mate.
Oh, thank you. Cheers, mate. Oh, look at this. Cheers, mate. Woo! On the beach. Can't beat it.
It's so good to be able to bring the kids on this camping trip. I've worked hard on bringing Chloe along. She only decided the day before we left that she was going to come, and she, as you'll see, absolutely has a really great time. On your way into the Pebbly Beach camping ground, you need to cross this creek, which is salt water. Best time to do this is at low tide and up to 2 hours after low tide. And that road takes you straight to the campsite. Pebbly Beach Campground is run by the New South Wales National Parks. You need to go online and pre-book your campsite. It does come with numbers, so you need to pre-book a number. They're very popular, and especially during the peak times. We had to book this campsite probably about 2 months before the date. Just thought I'd show you this epic coastline on our way in. It's a bit hard to take camping here, I think. What do you reckon? Leave us a message in the comments.
I'll wear to bed.
What do you got? Look at that, eh? Our last civilised stop for a while. Grafton. Chloe's got herself a nice coffee. It had lots of cream in it. I did buy it to get some good points from her. Brownie points, eh, Chloe? Got these guys over here. Fancy meeting you guys here, eh? How fun is that? Done all your shopping, got all your food.
Yep.
So who's cooking tonight?
Dad.
Dad, what's he cooking?
I have no idea.
No? Yeah. Do you guys like spaghetti bog?
Yeah, I love.
I got that one night.
Time to air the tyres down. We've just turned off the main bitumen and now we're heading onto the dirt road.
What's going on in here?
Oh, we're just
Boys and girls?
contemplating what to snack on. We can't eat the Easter eggs just yet.
As long as they're in the fridge though.
No, fabulous. Lead the way, boss.
Yeah, all right. Well, hopefully. Well, I've got to be worried there for a minute. Oh, Google Maps. You can't always trust Google Maps, can you?
No, we were
we're
heading
on the right
north,
track.
not south at one stage.
But in my defence, the lady did say there is a different way in, but...
Is it?
Yeah, but you wouldn't... She said I wouldn't have gone that way.
Yeah, righto.
And so...
Well, we're on the dirt road now. Feels
Yeah,
like
that's it,
we're,
mate.
on an adventure.
I know, it sure is. Well, we just aired the tyres down to about 30. There's quite a few potholes here, so... yeah, the old Google Maps was just a bit worried that it was taking us in the wrong direction, but I think we're on the right track. I rang Parks and Wildlife and they said that Google Maps is taking us the right way. So a bit of pressure there for me, leading Reuben along the way. So anyway, we'll get back into it. Well, this is Pebbly Beach. Well, almost there on the beach. You can't beat the beach. What do you reckon, guys? We made it. We're on the beach.
Yeah.
Doesn't get better than this, does it, eh? Trusted Google. Reuben, how are you, mate? Fancy seeing you here.
Yeah, mate, it's
You've been following me.
I have been following.
Yeah. I'll be leading you up the garden path. Oh, you can't beat it, can you?
Oh, look at the bird just floating there. Just sitting there, just...
Look at that, eh?
That's cool, eh?
Enjoy the
Yeah.
Oh, you can't beat the beach, can you?
Looking forward. Hopefully the wind dies down and this storm blows away.
Yeah, well, it's predicted to. I've done the weather checks, mate. Yeah.
It's about to let my tyres down.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Tiny little, you know, device.
No way, yeah.
Yeah. So,
How does that work, mate?
well, it's what you do is you use it like a normal tyre deflator, but this is a Bluetooth sensor,
Yeah.
pressure sensor, and it sends it to your phone.
You control it by your phone?
No, you don't control it by your phone.
No, it just tells you what the
Tells you
pressure
what
is.
pressure is.
Rightio, yeah.
Mate,
Right.
what's this?
Thanks, mate. Alright.
Cheers. Another top, beautiful spot.
That can be any time, mate.
In my darts ones, I just roll it up with the awning, my rope.
Oh, yeah. I'm a novice, mate.
No, you're not.
Well, how's that? That's pretty close, isn't it?
Holes in every single one of them.
Yeah, they come out with one, and I went and got some more. And these, some of these down, so they're quarter one.
So Reuben's just checking out the Bushwakka 270 awning from Bullies Off-Road Full Drive in Toowoomba.
And I've got two more.
Now we're going to really give this 270 awning a good test out. As you can see, she's blowing a gale, and soon I'll be putting up the walls.
Reuben loves it. Might be able to sell him one. What do you reckon? Better come and see what's going on over here. What's going on? Oh, look at that. You guys are doing much better tonight, aren't you, with the swags?
Yeah.
Up in no time. Awesome.
You know what?
How are you going there, Hannah?
Yeah. All by
Yeah, that looks so comfortable. I might jump in there now. Look at that. Looking good. All right. Mate, I've done the fire pit for you, Hayes.
Oh, thank you.
And there's a couple of fire starters.
Sounds
And I've got the matches in my pocket, so they didn't blow away, but I'll let you know. Dad said you can be the fireman, all right?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Awesome, mate.
Mate, your walls are absolutely fabulous. We're hiding in here,
Yep.
you know, having a beer,
Nice job. Oh, yeah, mate.
you know, cheers.
Yep.
And I like these Dalmatis. And a bit of
This is a bit new to me, this one.
Cholula hot sauce. Everyone knows how much I love hot sauce.
Go easy on me though, really. Yep, that's it. Right, perfect. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Oh, too good, mate.
Mm.
Well, we're here, Pebbly Beach.
Oh,
Got the awnings up, it's blowing a bit. You know what, who cares? Gonna get a fire, a few tins. What I'm looking forward to is some nice bourbon a bit later
oh yeah.
on the rocks.
The secret bourbon. Oh, mate, that's great. I like
it.
that.
I don't know, they're just nice. They're easy in a tin. Bit of hot sauce, bit of flavour. That's it.
Oh,
Flash, huh?
I know. What's going on over here? Party time.
We're trying to eat
Look at this.
Dad's uncle.
chili flavoured cheese
Yeah.
with fully loaded ultimate cheese shapes, and I've got half a cheese shape broken off in the cheese here.
Stuck
I'm
in
trying
there.
to have an operation here. Oh, I've succeeded!
Woo.
Have a go at that!
Look at this, eh? We're blowing a gale out there, but we're all pretty safe in here, aren't we? Look at this.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Look at that.
You know what I reckon?
Number two
Everybody
more.
should get out there, get themselves a vehicle, set it up, you know, with an awning and all that sort of jazz. Get yourself a portable cooker and just go
Look at
and
this.
explore.
Oh, mate,
Yeah, and
that's
forge your own path.
That's it. Nice, eh? Well, I've got to say, it doesn't get much better than this. We've got Reuben here from DMW. We've got the Bushwakka 270 awning. We've got the walls up, one on this side, one on that side. It's absolutely blown to go. What do you reckon? Reuben, about 50 Ks?
Oh, it'd be more than that.
Yeah.
It's nearly pushing the whole car over.
Oh, mate, I tell you what, we're right, we're sitting under cover here. Would you want a
Eating
few
your
beers?
sweet chili
Oh,
cheese.
I tell you what, eh?
With me steak,
We've got the fire going in the fire
cold
pit.
beer.
Mate, what more can we want? So, yeah, living a dream.
Absolutely. You guys are missing out.
I'll tell you what, you got to get yourself a Bushwakka awning, I'll tell you.
Saving the day. Saving the day again.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
So what's on the menu tonight, mate?
Yeah, I'm going to, well, we had burgers for breakfast. So, I'm a burger man. So, burgers for dinner. But this one's going to be a bit of a,
Bit of a
not
twist.
a twist, but a few things added, you know. So, I'm going to raid my fridge. See what I can whack on there. It's
Sounds
going to be a
like
good burger. It's going to have lots of hot sauce on it.
Very good to go to bed with.
Absolutely.
What's going on, Reuben? You got a bit of a smorgasbord going on here, mate. You got a bit.
I'm just getting a bit prepped for dinner.
You look like you might need another table. You got enough room there, mate? Oh, you got my back table there. That's it.
I have.
Yeah.
I've just got a bit of stuff happening here.
So what's
Got some,
what's
breakfast
on the
stuff
go?
happening. Well, I just thought I'd get some breakfast stuff happening as well.
Yeah. You know I've got to fit my swag in here somewhere, eh?
Yeah. Pancakes for breakfast
Yep.
with Easter eggs.
Oh yeah.
So, but tonight, I'll tell you what I'm doing.
Yeah. What's going on tonight, mate?
So we've got The old beef rump medallions.
Yeah.
Okay. My favourite brioche buns.
Oh,
Okay.
they were nice,
Now
hey?
we've got some potato salad and some pasta salad. That's if you want to have some extras on the side. But on the burger, we're
Yeah.
going to have yes, bit of coleslaw.
Nice.
Okay. Bit of cheese.
Yeah.
That's my secret recipe.
Whoa. Hey.
Right. We've also got some tomatoes and a few other things there. So it's going to be pretty cool. We've got the barbecue.
Yep.
It's getting warm. There's some
Getting
flamage
warm,
in there.
yeah. And we're getting protected by the wind, aren't we?
We are. Like we're under your awesome awning here. You got the back door open here, but you've also got the walls on your awning, the Bushwakka awning, and
Yep.
you've got this one here.
Yep.
And I tell you what, it's making a massive difference. The only thing is, you cheaped skated out and
Yeah.
bought another 2
I'm
walls.
missing too.
What's happening?
I'll have to go and see Dennis again, mate.
Absolutely.
From Swimboat.
Dennis, he needs 2 more walls, mate. But it's a cracker.
And we even got the fire going. Now, I don't think we can get that fire much closer, can we? Look at that.
No, the only
Woo.
thing that we're missing, I reckon, is a nice cold bourbon.
Ah!
But I think I'll have another beer first.
Yep, all right.
Actually,
You better cook our dinner first.
Can you get me a beer, please, Dylan?
Hey, where does Reuben hide his beers? Oh, there we go. I'll remember that for later, eh? Where he hides his beers. Wow, look at that sun. Look at it. It looks pretty good. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Cheers. Thank you.
Do you have any scissors?
Now, would you take a look at that sunset? Isn't it just absolutely marvellous?
What's going on here, Reuben?
Hey, we just cooked up
Whoa.
appetizer, bit of steak.
Oh, mate.
Anna, you get some?
Is this your secret herbs and spices, mate?
No, it's not mine. Ilya, if you're watching, mate, and George, I've learnt a lot off you. You're unreal, pair of wogs. Love yous.
You're sharing that with us, eh?
I am.
Look at this. Look at this.
That is the secret.
Whoa. That's a secret spice.
Yep. Have a go at that.
You got a bit going on here, Reuben. Thanks, mate.
We might not even get it to burgers tonight.
No, straight into it.
There you go.
These guys have got their mouths open. Look at them. What do you reckon, Chloe?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Woo! Look at us go. We're doing all right. We've got the fire going.
See you, Daddy.
We've been protected from the wind. And we've got a spectacular meal going on here, mate. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, no. No.
you've outdone yourself, mate.
A bit more of this, right?
Woo.
Oh, you
Right.
made a heart with the seeds.
That's it. There you go, mate.
Oh,
Did you say heart with seeds?
look at this.
It went like blue.
Oh,
Like they just did a heart.
that is so good, Reuben. Thanks, mate.
Beautiful.
Done a good job.
Dad, I'm a bird. Chip, 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 chip.
Mate, we've had some good food lately, haven't we?
Oh, we have. Been fabulous.
What's this? This is only day 2.
It is Dave. Did you get a piece?
And then I'm going to stain my white jumper.
Oh,
That's a big stain.
what do you reckon, guys? Your dad's done all right, eh?
Uh-huh. It's like
All right.
bleeding. Any photo?
Mate, that's like a smorgasbord out there.
Oh,
Whoa.
nice bit of steak, bit
Yeah.
of lemon on it, salt and
Yeah.
pepper. That's the only seasoning I've used.
Now you got a bit of the secret going on here too,
Yeah, look at
mate.
this.
Oh, I'll tell
Bit
you
of corn
what.
going on, mate.
Far out.
Look at that.
We're just living it up tonight.
Oh, just beautiful.
We're going to have a bit of
Absolutely
bourbon
gorgeous.
later.
Oh, a bit of bourbon.
Mate,
Yeah, I'll go do that.
and these kids, they're loving it, even though they're on their phones. Is there
No,
signal?
they're comparing photos.
Oh, that's okay then. That's all right.
No, we're comparing phones to see what phone we have.
Oh, nice.
Well, guys, here I am, Pebbly Beach, and I've just got to put my swag up. But I've got to say, it is absolutely blowing a gale here at Pebbly Beach. I've got my hardcore rechargeable lights going under here, and got one of Bushwakka awning walls, and I've got another one behind me. We've had to do a little bit of, let's say, we've got a few things holding it down. Mate, it must be blowing about 50, 60 k's an hour, I reckon. It's just picked up now. About to put up my swag and hit the hay. We'll see how she goes. But I think what I do need is those special sand pegs where you go and drill them in. So that's on my shopping list for my next camping trip. But so far, the walls have been absolutely awesome. We've got the Dashi pit fireplace going underneath the awning, and everybody else, they've all gone to bed. So I think Chloe's she's got the best sleep happening. She's in the rooftop tent over there on top of the trailer, and Reuben and the guys, they're out in swags, they're up in the open, and I'm under the Bushwakka awning. So yeah, I think so far, I think if I had the complete set of walls and proper pegs, it would just be slightly better than what it is at the moment. But yep, so far, just about to close up the car and put things away, and yeah, she's going pretty well. Man, I've never seen anything like this wind before, eh? Certainly not camping in it. Even the swag's been rocked around, so I got the swag next to the car. Had to pull the wall down because that was towards the back of the car. Wind's blowing in from the east, and yeah, she's rocking, eh? I tell you, I'm rocking in my swag. Far out, what a night, eh? Anyway, hope all is well and we can get some sleep. But yeah, it's very hard to get sleep when it's crazy like this. But I think Chloe's going to get the best sleep. She's in the rooftop tent, and there's no way of that going anywhere. So yeah, wish me luck, eh? And we'll let you know in the morning how we go, how we fare, what the campsite looks like once the night's over. Look, if the wind could die down by about 20 k's an hour, that would be that would be awesome. Anyway, I'm going to try and get some sleep. What did I miss, Reuben?
Well, I stepped backwards into a hole. Now I'm all wet. Car keys.
Oh, mate. You know the
The
worst thing.
reel went under. I'm going to have to get some WD-40 on all these.
Nice.
Anyway, now that breeze has started blowing, I'm cold.
Mate, there's one thing missing here. All that, and you didn't get a fish on line.
No fish.
Oh. Yeah, what have you done, Hannah?
I've done too many things.
Too many things. You look like you got a bit of blood on you. What's going on?
Yeah, 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
wow, my goodness. How's your feet going?
4,
4.
5, 6,
Man.
7.
Oh, and your hand as well.
Yeah, that one's not that
Oh.
bad.
Gee whiz, eh? Well guys, thanks again for watching Prado 150 out of here. Just in the background, just got one of these absolutely gorgeous sunsets that we get in our front yard, just behind. So it's just, I don't know if you can see it very well, it's just going down as we speak. Just take a minute to enjoy it for a moment or two. Guys, I just wanted to take a short moment of your time just to bring your attention to our patronage page. So what that means is if you would like to help us out or donate a bit of money towards our YouTube channel, have a look at the page, and what that means for you would be you would get my videos out approximately about a week early, and I'm going to try and make them ad free so you wouldn't have to have all the ads in it. So there's two different tiers. Have a look, check it out. I explain on the page just what you get for each tier, and it's all pretty, self-explanatory there. So I'll leave that link on the screen now. Check it out, see what you reckon, and if you want to help us out a bit, we've got some awesome plans coming up this year. So if you want to be a part of our journey and some exciting stuff that's coming up for us, things that we will share is Shelley's journey with kidney dialysis. We'll go into a bit more detail on our patronage page, share a little bit more about us and our family and what brought me to doing a YouTube channel. Also, can't wait for this, we're going to be picking up our Jayco Crosstrack hybrid caravan towards the end of the month, so stay tuned for that because that's going to be very exciting. We're going to run you through that and take you on some journeys. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.